In this video, we will learn how to add Typeform form submissions to SendGrid automatically. So let's say you have created a form in Typeform Form Builder software, and whenever the form is submitted, the same person will be automatically created as contact in SendGrid email marketing software. And to create this automation, I'm going to use an integration software and not just the Typeform and SendGrid. You can also connect Google Forms, Jot Forms and other form builder software with the email marketing software SendGrid, MailChimp, ConvertKit, etc. Want to learn how you can create this automation? Just follow this video till end. So this is the form which I have created in Typeform, and I'm going to connect this form with the SendGrid so that the data can be added here, and I'm going to connect these two software with the help of an automation software, Pabbly Connect. You can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also add the link in my description box. Now click on sign up free and create your free account. You will also get free task in the free account. Now I am already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in and then clicked on access now. Now you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, from where we are going to start creating our automation. So first click on this blue button, create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow. Add form submissions to SendGrid. I am giving this particular name, okay? And click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So basically we need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. Understand with an example. When a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the form is submitted in Typeform application, add the contact in SendGrid application. That is why here the trigger app will be Typeform here, and the trigger event will be, of course, the new form submission, basically the new entry. Now I am going to connect Typeform with Pabbly Connect. So click on add new connection, click on connect with Typeform, and it will ask you the access of your account. Well, I am already logged into the software, that is why it is simply asking me the permission, and you can see the authorization is successful. Now it is asking me to select the form which I would like to connect. Well, I have created this particular form, contact form, and since I am connected, whatever the form are available into my account are visible here. I have selected this particular form, okay? It is the same form. Let me show you contact form. Write to us and we will get back to you within 24 hours. All right, and I have selected the same. Click on save and send test request and then read the instructions. Once you have clicked over save and send test request button, do a test submission record in that application in order to capture the response here. So basically it is asking to do a test submission. So that is why I'm going to submit of this particular form. So let's say dummy is the first name of the user and dummy user is the last name. Press OK. Email address, any random email address, okay, pabblytudes.com. Well, I am adding the dummy entry just to show you how this connections can be made. Okay, any message, okay, call me as soon as possible, I would like to discuss something. Okay, just a random message I have added. Okay, let me correct the spelling. All right, now I'm going to click on submit and you will see the form is submitted, and I am expecting the same submission data in Pabbly Connect. And yes, you can see the response is received immediately. Why immediately? Because this particular trigger is actually instant. Okay, so we have received the response instantly, and let me even show you the details. This is the form name. Okay, let me show you other details. Here is the first name. All right, let me take you to the down, and here is the last name. Where is the email address? The email address is here, and here is the text. So this is how you can actually receive the data of Typeform in Pabbly Connect, and then further we can send this particular data to different applications. In our case, we are going to send this particular data in SendGrid application. That is why I have selected the same. And in action event, of course, I want to create or update a contact. That is why I have selected the same. Again, click on connect, click on add new connection. Now for connecting SendGrid with Pabbly Connect, it is asking for the token. Well, read the instructions. To get the API key, go to settings, API keys, create API key, choose full access and click on create. So I am going back to my SendGrid account, and where is the settings? Here is the settings section. Click here, click on API keys. Now click on create API key and generate a API key. Provide a name, let's say connection with Typeform. I have provided the name. Okay, let me correct the spelling and once again, connecting with Typeform. Choose full access and click on create and view, and this is how you will get your API key. By simply clicking on this API key, it will be copied automatically. Click on done, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste your token, basically the API key here, and click on save, and you will see your SendGrid account will be connected immediately. Now it is asking to select the list. Let me check what is the list I am having. Well, marketing, and here is the contact section, and I have created a separate list, website, contact form, submission leads. So this is the list in which I would like to add all the contacts which are coming via Typeform, and there are no contacts in this list. Okay, let's come back here and select this particular email list, website, contact form, submission leads. Again, because we are connected, all the lists are visible which are available in my SendGrid account. Again, it is asking to fill the details. Well, I don't want the rest of the details apart from the email and first name and last name. So basically, we are going to fill this particular data from the above response which we have received. Okay, and I don't need to copy and paste this particular data, this particular response. When you will click on this particular field, first read it, enter text or map data. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here. Read the instructions once again, insert data from previous step, and here in the drop down the above data is visible. I am going to map the email here. Okay, so where is the email ID? Well, okay, here is the email address. You can see form response answer to email admin@pabblytudes.com. Now going to fill the first name. Again, search for the name. Well, I have the name as dummy, and the last name I had was user, I guess, and here is the second name. And finally, I have submitted all the details which are required to create a contact. And let me tell you one more important thing. The values which I have mapped here will be replaced automatically as soon as the new submission is there. You do not need to do anything manually, and this is the interesting thing about mapping. Let's click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response. Yes, the response has been received immediately. Go back to this particular SendGrid software and refresh the software, and I'm expecting the contact, the same contact which we have submitted in Typeform, to be present here, to be visible here. Okay, fingers crossed. All right, and let me refresh it once again. Okay, hard refresh. And yes, you can see the same contact has been updated, has been created as a contact here in SendGrid application. Here's the date added, date updated. Let me even open this particular contact and check for other details. Dummy is the first name, user is the last name. So this is how you can create contact in this particular email marketing application directly from the form submission of Typeform. And once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect and everything will work in backend. As soon as the Typeform will be submitted, the contact will be created automatically here. Also, I'm going to attach the link of this particular workflow, basically the shareable link, in my description box. In case you want to clone this particular setup, you can do it directly from this link. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.